Hi guys, I welcome you all to Power Learn Science and Maths TV. In this video, we are evaluating the integral of sine into bracket x plus pi on 3 bracket close minus root 3 cos into bracket x plus pi on 3 bracket close. And we are moving from 0 as the lower limit to pi as the upper limit. Now, before I move to solve this problem, I'll be very glad if you pause the video and try your hands on that. Then also, if you are new on this channel, if this is the kind of content you want or you need, I'll be very glad if you pause the video and subscribe to this channel. Now, to solve this problem, what we are going to do is that we have to find a way of reducing or simplifying this entire expression. And to do that, we are going to apply one of trigonometric properties, specifically the property of compound angles. The property of compound angles. And the property states that if I have sine into bracket a plus b, it is given as sine A multiplied by cos B plus cos A multiplied by sine B. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this expression to simplify the sine component of this question. So I'm going to use what we have here to simplify that. And so where the x is the a and the b is the pi on 3. So what it means is that my sine of x plus pi on 3 using this principle gives me sine a, where the a is x. So sine x multiplied by cos pi on 3 plus cos x multiplied by sine of pi on 3. So let me further break it down. Now to move on, I want you to know that the pi in this case is 180. Pi in this case is 180. So pi on 3 is the same as 180 divided by 3, and 180 divided by 3 gives us 60. So what this means is that we are looking at sine x of cos of 60 plus cos x multiplied by sine of 60. So breaking this down further, now cos 60 according to the calculator is 1 on 2. So this is the same as 1 on 2 sine x plus sine 60 according to the calculator is root 3 on 2. So root 3 on 2 times cos x gives us root 3 on 2 cos x. So this is a simplified form of sine into bracket x plus pi on 3. Now let's move on to simplify cos into bracket x plus pi on 3. So from the same principle of compound angle, it says that if I have cos A plus B, this is the same as cos A cos B minus sine A multiplied by sine B. So I'm going to use this principle to expand cos into bracket x plus pi on 3, where in this case my A is the x and B is pi on 3. So cos into bracket x plus pi on 3 is simply equal to cos x multiplied by cos pi on 3 minus sin x multiplied by sin pi on 3. So let me continue here. So breaking that one down, remember pi is still 180. So this is the same as, let me recall, cos x plus pi on 3 becomes cos x multiplied by cos 60 minus sin x multiplied by sin 60. And so breaking it down, cos 60 is 1 on 2, 1 over 2. So cos 60 is 1 over 2. So this gives us 1 on 2 cos x minus sin 60 is root 3 on 2. So root 3 on 2 sin x. So what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to put these two together. I'm going to put the simplified form together and simplify. So what that means is that this whole thing now gives me now the sine into bracket x plus pi on 3 is giving us this. So that is half sine x plus root 3 on 2 cos x minus, there is root 3 here, so this is going to be minus root 3 multiplying, this root 3 is multiplying the cos into bracket. What you have here is exactly what we have here. So half of cos x minus root 3 on 2 sine x. So what that means is that will be, so simplifying everything gives half sine x plus root 3 on 2 cos x minus this root 3 multiplies that, so the root 3 multiplies a half, so we'll be left with root 3 on 2. So let me put all this in bracket. So root 3 on 2 cos x, then the root 3 times root 3 on 2 gives 3 on 2, because root 3 times root 3 is 3. So that will be, so this multiplying that gives minus 3 on 2 sine x. So now this whole thing, let me simplify. This whole thing gives half sine x plus root 3 on 2 cos x minus root 3 on 2 cos x plus 3 on 2 sine x. So what it means is that these two cancel out, so we'll be left with half sine x plus 3 on 2 sine x, and this is the same as the LCM is 2, so we'll just add the numerator and then pick one of the denominators. So this is the same as 1 plus 3 on 2 sine x, which gives us 2 sine x. So what this means is that this whole expression, the simplified form, is just 2 sine x. So actually we are just finding the integral of 2 sine x. We are just finding the integral of, so actually we are just finding the integral of 2 sine x, where the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is pi. Now this can be simplified as, so let me bring the constant out. So 2 integral of now the integral of sine x is negative cos x. The integral of sine x is negative cos x. So what that means is that this is the same as 2 negative cos x, where the lower limit is 0, the upper limit is pi. So this is the same as negative 2 cos x, where lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi. And so this is the same as 2 into brackets. So the cos of the upper limit minus the cos of the lower limit. Now remember that the pi is 180. Remember that the pi is 180. Cos 180 is negative 1. So this minus cos 0 is 1. And so this is the same as negative 2 into bracket negative 2. And this gives 4, positive 4. And therefore, the integral of the whole expression when the lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is pi is positive 4. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and share. Let me know your comments in the comment section.